Hello, welcome to the compiler. In this video, we're going to tell how to use a formula in Excel and how to use VLOOKUP function, which is very important function, which is majorly used. So here's the example. We have these 5 type of toy with specified quantity and price. We want to know the total price. So for this total price, what we can use, as I told in our earlier tutorials, like how to perform your operation. So here I just doing that equal to this into this and hit enter. Will found the value. So again if you want to perform the same operation in the next cell, so you don't need to rewrite again this formula. You just do one thing, just drag it and will find the same thing is coming with the demo. Dragging is simply replicating the previous function with the existing one. So by this way you can save the time, and for the total you can do using sum function. So this is function, and what I put in this is formula, right? So major difference between the function formula is that function is a predefined formula, that this function allow to use a descriptive name that automatically formulate to you. That's I use as a sum here, and the formula is what is simplest form, it an expression made of that I call in a cell address and adding arithmetic operation. So this is major difference between that. So now coming to the VLOOKUP, that is majorly used function. So mostly what is VLOOKUP function? It is used to perform a vertical lookup in the leftmost column and the return a value in the same row from a column that specified. Let's explain what it's trying to say. Lay language. So simply what we are having this thing, right? So by VLOOKUP function is what if I'm applying something in the left of the column, applying this, and it will search for the same row in the second of the column, then it will return that cat. If I write 4, then it will return dog. So that is the function of VLOOKUP function. If in that in example, that home supply budget has a serial number column that uniquely identify each item in the budget. Suppose you have 2 items stored in a number and you would like to know the item description. You can use VLOOKUP function. Here is how VLOOKUP function works. So in order to apply this VLOOKUP function, what you need to do is just take item serial number as a variable and description. These are item variable. So I already applied that VLOOKUP formula. In that VLOOKUP, what you need to do, E equal to VLOOKUP and C11 is what the left hand column variable name. So that is here, right? So you need to put there. This is my, when I enter this this particular product serial number, it will automatically fetch the description, right? And A2, and this is the array. Array is what for the 2 column, and this is what if I using 2 columns, then I will take 2. If I using 3 columns, then I will take. And false is the range lookup, which is used for return the value. Fine. So this I used. If I write 2 here, then you can see 2 ball, right? If I write 3, sorry, not here, it is not predefined. So if I write 3, it automatically change. So again I just want to repeat this function, item serial number if I want, and this is description, right? You need to apply VLOOKUP function. What you need to do is VLOOKUP uses from this function. This is for that you just want serial number, then comma, you need to select array, comma, then 2 as you are using 2 column, comma, we want approximate, then use false. If we want, sorry, approximate we use true, and the exact match we want false. So here we'll use the false. Fine. Now enter 4. You can see dog, right? Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.